Hi, this is Dan from Gear Diary, and we're going to take a look at a number of the cases in Incipio's Stanley line. They actually were kind enough to send a few for review, and this time out we're going to take a look at the Stanley Highwire from Incipio. This is a case that retails for $39.99. Let's run down what it offers and then take a look at the case itself. This case has a rigid frame that's over an impact-absorbing silicon core. It has a soft touch finish, and it does come with a belt clip. Inside the case, you'll get a screen protector, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an applicator card. So let's break it open and let's take a look at what this particular case has to offer. As you can see, the case comes packaged with the familiar Stanley colors, the bright yellow and then the darker section, and it has inside the case itself, there is this belt clip that you have to push through to get it out of the box. There we go. Nothing else here. Put that away. And here you have the case and the belt clip, the Stanley logo right here. Popping the case out of the belt clip, let's take a look at the belt clip itself. It's pretty heavy duty. It's plastic. It does have the Stanley name here, as we said, and it does have the ability to ratchet around and lock into a number of different positions, so you can hold it on your belt in whatever way that you're comfortable holding it. If you're somebody who uses a belt clip and a holster, I'm not, but if you are, this is a pretty heavy duty. It looks like it's going to do pretty well over time. The case itself is, as we said, a two-piece case, so we can just pop the soft silicone portion out, and then we can pull the inside material. Let's put this aside for a second, look at what was inside. You have an instruction manual for the case itself. You have an Incipio screen protector and an installation cloth with a special application card that has the stanley.incipio.com URL on it, because that's the branding here. So here's the case itself. You've got the soft inside impact resistant core, and you've got the external hard frame. To use this case, you take your iPhone, you place it into the soft frame. Let's just take a look at what this offers. You've got protection around the corners, the entire back, and there's this double layer of protection, which is nice. You've got the buttons, you've got the sleep toggle. It's a little bit recessed, but it's accessible. And you also get lay on the table protection. From there, we simply take the case, put it into the rigid outer frame. It actually goes in really nicely. And now you have the case. Let's take a walk around it. You've got lay on the table protection. You've got soft protection at the top and bottom. You've got rigid protection along with the soft protection on the sides. Flipping over to the back, you have the Stanley logo. You've got this combination of rigid, soft, rigid, soft, rigid, soft, rigid, which is really nice as far as the protection that it offers. And you've got the soft protection at the top and bottom. A nice cutout for the camera, microphone, and flash. On this side, you've got the volume up and down. The mute toggle you can get to, but it's a little bit steep, but you can get to it. Along the bottom, you've got full access to the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, the mic, the speaker, and the new lightning connector. And at the top, you've got the sleep awake button. Coming back to the holster, you can put the phone in the holster, screen out. Obviously, you don't get the protection, but you do get the ability to carry your phone. You also don't get the privacy if something flashes up. And you can push up, take it out. And if you take your phone and put it in this way, you get complete protection. The only thing exposed is this camera, microphone, flash area and the bottom area that's open, but it's so recessed you're not going to have an issue. So this is the Incipio Highwire. It's part of the Stanley collection. It has an MSRP of $39.99. Comes in 4 different color patterns. It's available now at incipio.com. This is Dan for Gear Diary. Thanks very much for watching.